Hi there, this is Julia,
This is Robert.
and we have completely done a 180 on caboose and are now putting in proper insulation after our hush mat and Reflectix
And our new ceiling.
and the new ceiling. The ceiling is staying.
Yes, all our wiring. We had to move all that stuff out of the way, and we're actually going to be putting in some really cool walls. It'll be automotive carpeted floor to ceiling, but we're going to actually put in 1x3 ribs all the way, so it's going to be a nice solid frame all the way across. We're going to build custom build outs around the fender wells on both sides so that the Blue Eddy battery system can be stacked up and anchored. We'll anchor that with custom aluminum strapping just to gain some more space in here. We'll put the desk back here, obviously, and put the refrigerator back where it belongs. But the key points is we want to make sure that this stuff fits a little bit better so that we have more room, because we have a lot more stuff that Miss Bug, Julia,
Boss
the
lady.
boss lady,
A
can
boss
tell us
lady.
about. She could even take you on a little tour.
We'll do that in another video. It's 100 and something with the heat index today, folks. And as you can see, he's sweaty, and
But you don't like my smiley face?
I am sweaty as well.
And what, you don't like my smiley face?
So we're trying to get through the insulation, and we'll probably work on videos and the van earlier in the morning before it starts to get too hot and humid, and then in the evenings.
Yes, please and thank you.
In the evenings when it cools off a little. That way we don't die of, dehydration, heat stroke, etc., etc.
What?
That's it for now.
Oh, not yet.
We're gonna go
tell 'em
along
where we
video
got this.
by video. We will link in the description of the video all of the web info for the materials that we've purchased, and go from there. We'll see you on the next video.
Bye, boss lady.